Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will discuss how to install Ansible in Ubuntu. There are multiple ways of installing Ubuntu. We will talk about one of the way using Python and pip3. So installing Ansible on Ubuntu or Debian, there are some prerequisites, right? One of the way, right? I'm talking about one of the way where we use Python. So we'll install Python and pip, right? So once pip and python 3 is already installed, then we'll try to install the ansible. So let's go through one by one command. So first of all, we'll check python 3 is installed or not. If it is not installed, then we will run sudo apt update. We'll update the system. Then we will install run command sudo apt install python 3. That will install the python 3, and then we'll check python 3 is installed, and then after we will check the pip3 is installed or not. For checking the pip3, we will use python 3 hyphen m pip3 hyphen v. So this will show you the version of pip3 installed. If it is null, then we will use command sudo apt install python 3 pip. That will install our python pip3, and then we'll check pip3 is installed or not using pip3 hyphen hyphen version. And once the pip3 is installed, then we'll use python 3 hyphen m pip install hyphen hyphen user ansible, and then finally we'll check ansible is installed or not. Let's move to the uh, ubuntu and check how we can install the ansible. Now we are in the command prompt in ubuntu. Let's check ansible is installed or not. Type ansible, type ansible version and enter. So that means command not found, Ansible is doesn't install. So type sudo to update the system. Just type sudo apt-get update. Now check Python 3 is installed or not. Type so Python 3 is already installed, but it comes with the OS. If you do not have the Python 3, then you can type so, sudo apt-get install Python 3. This will install your python 3 into your ubuntu. So because I already have the python 3, that's why it will not install again. Now python 3 installed. Now we have to check python pip 3, right? I missed python 3. No module in pip 3, so we have to install pip 3 as well. So sudo apt install to install the pip. Sudo apt-get, you can use sudo apt install python 3 hyphen pip. So sudo apt also work. Say yes. Now pip 3 install. Let's check. So python 3 hyphen m pip 3 hyphen v. Yeah, you can see pip is installed 2002, right? So pip is already installed. Now let's install, or you can directly say pip 3 version. Yeah, you can see pip 20, pip 3 is also installed. Now we have to install Ansible. So how we will do Python 3 hyphen m, how to install pip 3 hyphen m pip install hyphen user Ansible. Let's enter. So Ansible is now installed. Let's check which version is getting installed. It says Ansible 6.7 is already installed. Like it is not installed yet. Let's say local.win. Let's copy this. You can see Ansible, right? Let's say the Ansible is installed in 3.1, not this one, 2.13, right? So the Ansible is installed in this location. It's already mentioned, right? This one. So from this location you can access your Ansible. So let's move to the slide. So we have already seen how to install Ansible in Ubuntu. So this will end to our video. So if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also don't hesitate to comment if you are enrolled to any training in DevOps and you want to learn something on DevOps, please comment. We'll definitely come back with some solution. So we'll come back with new videos. Till then, thank you and bye.